Hello friends and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel iTech World. In today's video, I shall provide you so many important MCQs of this well prestigious essay writing website WriteDom. In the same video, you will be provided most important essay writing topics. After watching this video, you will be able to pass this test quite comfortably, so try to watch this video thoroughly. Let's get started. Here we have got test number 1. In the first sentence, this option would be the most appropriate choice. How much is this t-shirt? How much is this t-shirt? Is that clear? Okay, let's come to the sentence number 2. Mel loves snow, but Tom doesn't like it. This is very easy, okay? Here in this sentence, we have got option number 2 as the best choice. Like, this would be the most accurate option. Come to question number 3. I went to Italy for my holiday last year. Here we will make the use of simple past went. This would be the most appropriate choice. Just have a look once again. Went. This is the most accurate option. Let's move to question number 4. Jeff and Nancy are going to watch a film tonight. Option number 1 is the most suitable option here. Jeff and Nancy are going to watch a film tonight. Okay, come to the next one. Joe, where is our next lesson, Steve, on the Wednesday? This would be the most accurate choice here. Okay, let's move to the next one. Excuse me, have you got the time, please? This one is the most accurate option. Okay, come to the sentence number 7. Waiter, anything else, sir? Customer, that's all. Thanks. This is the most accurate option. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to the next one. I am hungry. I want sandwich. This is quite easy, okay? This one is the best choice. Okay, let's move to question number 9. What time do you get up in the morning? Okay, in simple present, we normally make the use of do or does. Okay, this is simple routine, daily routine, okay? So, present indefinite will be used here. Option number 1 is the most accurate choice. Move to the next one. Hello, can I speak to Jenny, please? This one is the best choice here. This is very easy. Okay. Move to the next one. Shopping on the internet is easy. Shopping. This one is the best choice here in this sentence. Okay, come to the next one. Jim hasn't got a car. Jim hasn't got a car. Okay, this one is the most accurate option. Okay, come to the next sentence. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? This one is the best choice. This is quite easy as well. What shall we buy Simon for his birthday? This is the most accurate choice. Option number 3 is the correct choice here. Let's move to sentence number 15. Sorry, I haven't got any coffee. Is tea okay? In the negative sentence, we normally make the use of any. Okay, so this would be the accurate choice. Okay, that was test number 1, and now let's get started the test number 2. Okay, come to the text number 2. The very first sentence of this test. It was nice to meet you. See you later, I hope. See you later. This is the best choice. Come to sentence number 2. If you want to get fit, you should do more sport. You should do more sport. This would be the accurate choice. Should, okay? Okay. Come to sentence number 3. John met his wife in 2004. Okay, this would be the accurate option. Met. Second form, simple past will be used here. Okay. In sentence number 4, we'll make the use of would you like. Okay, this would be the most appropriate choice. Let's read out the sentence. Would you like to go for a pizza this evening? This is the best option for this sentence. Okay. Come to sentence number 5. Have you ever been to Australia? This is quite easy. Option number 2 is the correct choice. Move to sentence number 6. My grandfather was born 80 years ago. This is again very easy. My grandfather was born 80 years ago. Okay. I enjoy comedies because I like laughing. Option number 2 is the best choice. Let's move to sentence number 8. Look, it's raining. This one is the most accurate option. Is raining. Just have a look once again. Raining is raining, rains, does rain. This one is the most appropriate option. Okay, move to sentence number 9. I didn't watch television last night. This is quite easy, okay? First form of verb will be used here in the simple past just after didn't. Option number 4 is the accurate choice. Let's move to sentence number 9. I am dash I am really sorry, but I can't come to your party tonight. I am really. This would be the most accurate option in this sentence. Okay. I'm really sorry, but I can't come to your party tonight. This is quite easy. Hi George, did you have a good weekend? Option number 2 is the right choice. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to the next one. I was 18 years old when I started my first job. This is also very easy. Okay, this one would be the most accurate choice. Let's move to the next one. Alex loves giving presents. He is very generous. This one is again very easy. Generous. Let's move to sentence number 14. What's better? You look upset. This one is the best choice here. Okay. And now come to sentence number 15. What was the food like at the party last night? Here option number 2 was okay, seems to be most accurate choice. And now come to test number 3. John met his wife in 2004. In this sentence, simple past met would be used here, okay? Second form of verb will be used right here. So this one is the best choice, met. Come to the next sentence. What was the food like at the party last night? This one is the most accurate option and it's been discussed early on in the previous test as well. So let's skip this one and come to the next one. I am really sorry, but I can't come to your party tonight. This one is the best choice here, really. Is that clear? Okay. I enjoy comedies because I like laughing. I enjoy comedies. This one is the most accurate option here. Let's move to sentence for 5. I was 18 years old when I started my first job. Option number 1 is the most suitable choice here. Okay, move to sentence number 6. Alex loves giving presents. He is very generous. It's been discussed early on. Keep in mind, you will find most of the sentences most frequently when you start taking test. Okay, so try to watch this video carefully. Sentence 7. If you want to get fit, you should do more sport. First option is the best choice here. Should. This is the most accurate option. Okay, move to the next one. I shouldn't watch television last night. I didn't watch television last night. This is simple past tense. Didn't watch. Just after didn't, we have to make the use of first form of verb. Is that clear? Okay, now move to the sentence number 9. What's better? You look upset. This is quite easy and it's been discussed earlier, so skip this one and move to the next one. Sentence number 10. Would you like to go for a pizza this evening? Would you like? This is the most accurate option. Okay, now move to sentence number 11. It was nice to meet you. See you later, I hope. This is the most accurate option. Is that clear? Move to the next one. Have you ever been to Australia? This is quite easy. Okay, been. This is the best choice. Option number 4 is the right choice here. Hi George, did you have a good weekend? Last option, did you have, would be the most accurate choice here. Is that clear? Let's move to the next one. My grandfather was born 80 years ago. This is quite easy. Okay. Second option would be the most suitable choice. Let's move to the last sentence of this test. Look, it's raining. This one is the most accurate option. Okay. Now let's start test number 4. If you want to get fit, you should do more sport. If you want to get fit, you should do more sport. Should would be the most accurate choice here. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to sentence number 2. It was nice to meet you. See you later, I hope. It's been discussed early on, I think. So skip this one. And let's move to sentence number 3. Look, it is raining. Look, it is raining. Last option, is raining, would be the most suitable choice here. Okay, let's move to sentence number 4. Alex loves giving presents. He is very generous. This sentence is coming third time here. Okay, it's been discussed earlier. John met his wife in 2004. It's also been discussed in the previous test. I enjoy comedies because I like laughing. This one has also been discussed in the previous test. So skip this one and come to the next sentence, number 7. Hi George, did you have a good weekend? Okay, this has also been discussed, I think. What's better? You look upset. This is quite easy. Okay, and now come to sentence number 9. Would you like to go for a pizza this evening? Okay, this is again very easy. Now move to sentence number 10. My grandfather was born 80 years ago. This sentence has also been discussed in the previous video, previous section, sorry, previous test. Okay. Now move to sentence number 11. I didn't watch television last night. Okay. This is again very easy. And keep in mind, in simple past, we normally make the use of second form, but in the active sentence, just after didn't, we have to make the use of first form. Okay. This is quite easy. Come to sentence number 12. I was 18 years old when I started my first job. Last one is the most suitable choice here. Come to sentence number 13. Have you ever been to Australia? Okay, this sentence has already been discussed. So skip this one. Okay, what was the food like that at the party last night? This is again very easy. Last option is the most suitable choice here. Okay, come to the last sentence of this test. I'm really sorry, but I can't come to your party tonight. This one would be the most appropriate choice. Now, come to the last stage of this video. As I promised you at the early stage of this video, to provide you with most important essay writing topics so that you can pass this test quite easily. These are very important topics for your essay writing test. First one is, what are the pros and cons of globalization? Second one, if you had a choice, would you rather have power or glory? Third one, should video games be considered a sport? Fourth one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of social controls? Fifth one, can people have perfect bodies and eat fast food? Six one, last one, why family is important to socialization process. These are very important topics. Try to prepare these topics so you can pass this test quite easily. And you should also watch some of my previous videos in which I have provided some techniques to write essays. Try to watch those videos as well. That's it for today. Wish you all the best.